Hello, Soul Family. So, how are you all? Welcome back once again to Tarot Miracle. I hope all of you had a great festive season. I know it's been quite late. I haven't posted any video because even I was busy with festivities. So, apologies for that. And I hope every one of you had a great festive time with your precious loved ones. Now, without much ado, let me tell you about today's reading. Today's reading is about a very special 1111 portal that we all are going to enter within the next few days. Now, this portal is even special this year because this year the total of 1111 portal comes out to be 9. So 9 is a number of completion of cycles. And whenever something in our life is nearing its completion, there is a lot of chaos, there's a lot of confusion, there's a lot of frustration, which many of you might be feeling in the recent past few days. This is the reason why it's happening, because the collective is nearing completion with this 1111 portal. And the number 11 is a very special number of enlightenment and awakening. It talks about your intuition. And when we are connected with our intuition, when we are awakened, when we are aware and in an enlightened state, we manifest things with the speed of light. So that is why this 1111 portal holds special significance, because of the high manifestation power that we have during this time. So again, as I said, this 1111 portal is even special because you can easily, it being a number 9, you can easily let go and release the things, the energies, the people, the toxicity around you that doesn't serve you anymore. And you can manifest whatever you want in your life. So I thought, why not have a reading about it? So basically in this reading, I'll be talking about things that are nearing completion in your life, things that you must let go of. क्योंकि जब हम चीज़ों को let go करते हैं, surrender करते हैं, only then we can expect that we are ready to receive new energies in our life. So until and unless we let go of those old patterns, those old people, toxic people around us, we can't just invite new energies into our life. That is why I thought, why not have this reading? In one part of the reading, I'll be talking about things that you need to release, you need to let go, things that are nearing completion in your life, and the other part of the reading will focus on things that you can manifest, the blessings that are being bestowed upon you by the divine, and how you can make the most of those blessings, how can basically guidance on how to tap into that new energy that is being bestowed upon you by the divine. So let's all gear up for it. And as always, timestamps would be listed in the description box. You can also join my WhatsApp Tarot Miracle group. I'm there on Instagram as well, so you can follow me there as well. So let's get started with the reading. So हमेशा की तरह you have 3 options. This is option number 1. This is option number 2. And this is option number 3. So these are the 3 options for you. You can take as much time as you want to choose the pile that resonates with you the most. Just close your eyes, ask your angelic team, your spiritual team to help you choose the pile which has messages which are meant to reach you. And I'll begin with the reading now. Hello, Pile 1. So, all of those who have chosen this beautiful card, as I was telling you in the intro, I have divided this reading into two parts. One would be the things that are nearing completion in your life, and the other is the new door, the blessings that are opening up for you, that are coming for you from the divine. So, for first part of the reading, I have already selected tarot and oracle cards, and even for the second part of the reading, I have selected oracle and tarot cards. So let's get started with your reading. So, what you need to let go of. The card says, stand in a garden and be thought free just for a moment. So, as I was telling you that whenever we are nearing any completion in our life, there is a lot of confusion. You often wonder that why is it happening with me? Why do not I have any clarity of thought? Who am I? What am I supposed to do? If we go towards the bigger question, then you may even question your existence. Why I have been born on this earth? What is the purpose of my life? So this is what the card is telling you. Let go of all these thoughts. Let go of this over-brooding nature of yours and just connect with nature. Okay? Connect with nature. Stand in a garden and be thought-free for a moment. Be aware of the present times. Stop worrying about the future, that you do not know what is going to happen in the future. This card is telling you to let go of this nature of living either in the past or in future. Live in the present moment. Overbrooding nature हमारी क्यों होती है? It happens when either we are pondering on the past, the good past that we had, or we are worried about the future that we do not have. सारी hustle bustle जो life की है, it's all for the future. But in that hustle bustle, we forget the moment that we have right now. So enjoy the moment. Let go of this habit of being worried about the future. Live in the moment. Connect with the nature. Morning, the world awaits you. Number 40. 40 makes it 4, which is a number of stability. So I think that most of you are really anxious about stability in your life. You want stability in everything. Everybody wants, but probably you are becoming anxious because of this fear that whether everything would be stable in future or not, whether you will have financial stability or not, whether you will have a home of your own or not. Let go of these thoughts and surrender to the divine timing. Morning, the world awaits you. I also feel that there is some kind of a thing, there's something that you need to change in your morning routine. Either you get up late or you are not using your morning time wisely. Start doing that. Wake up in the morning with a new hope for the day that awaits you. Water and fishes, my attention is being drawn to water and fishes also. So for me, water is intuition, emotions. Fish also talk about creativity. So something in your morning routine has to do with doing something creative, or having a morning routine that will help you carry on throughout day, feeling very excited for the day. You need to have those kind of happy feelings in the morning. Maybe you don't feel like getting out of bed because you have nothing to look forward to. So follow a morning routine that makes you want to get up every day and do something. Explore your passion, explore your creativity. There's something that needs to be changed in your morning routine. Also, I've picked a tarot. King of Pentacles, of course, pile 1. You really need to let go of your habit of, having a control over everything. Of course, you cannot control everything. Things that are not under your control have to be surrendered to divine timing. I know you have to provide for your family. You may be the only breadwinner your family has. But when things are not working your way and they are making you even more anxious, then you should let it go. Surrender it to the universe. Universe will take care of all your needs. Okay, so please let go of this habit of controlling everything around you, seeking stability in everything you do. It will come. It will come to you. Universe is there to protect you, to take care of you. Okay, so let go of this habit of controlling. So pile 1, this is what you need to let go. And of course, King of Pentacles also talks about discipline. So yes, there is something that needs to be changed. A little bit of discipline in your morning routine is needed. Maybe you sleep late and you get up late. You are in a hurry to reach your workplace. So these small little habits, these small little changes you need to make in your habit, which go a long way, which will go a long way in helping you reach and manifest what you desire. So let go of all these. I feel that pile 1 is literally control freak. And perfection word is also coming to my mind time and again. So please, if you are seeking perfection, if you are seeking stability, seek it to an extent where it doesn't make you anxious. Learn to let go of things that are not in your control. Okay? And let us see now what this 1111 portal, which blessings are coming your way through this 1111 portal. Numbers. Okay. So in blessings, the word number has come. The card number is 26. So 26 adds up to 8. 8 for me is abundance. It's also a number of infinity. So infinite abundance is coming your way. Okay, money is also counted in numbers. So abundance coming your way. You may also be seeing a lot of synchronicities, a lot of angel numbers you might be seeing, like 1111, 1212, 1010. So pay heed. Pay attention to the synchronicities that are there around you, because universe and angels, they speak to us through these numbers and synchronicities. So take a note of all the synchronicities that are coming. And maybe 26th of this month could be of importance to you. Then make waves. The next blessing that's coming your way is make waves. It's your turn to make a splash and rock a few creaky boats. Don't be afraid to get wet. You may fall, you may look foolish, or you may make people think in a new way. Every great trailblazer and change maker made waves. You are no different. So as I said, pile 1, stop being in control. And see, again there is fish and water. So you need to, go with the flow. Just don't be that controlling. Just like water flows, go with the flow. Make waves. Make heads turn with your work, with your creativity. You have that in you. You are a trailblazer. You have that in you. You can create ripples wherever you go. It's just that the small changes that you need to make. Okay, so rather than being a control freak, go with the flow. Make waves where you go. Be creative. Explore your creativity. Explore your creativity. Alright, let's see what ancestors are blessing you with. Animal guardian, trust your instincts. I told you. Intuition, instincts, water talks about all these things. So trust your instincts. Okay? Be wild. Be wild. Explore whatever you wish to do. Okay, you need to be wild. You are playing very safe. Okay, you are not exploring things. You are playing very safe because you don't want to rock the boat. आप दूसरों के ओपिनियंस को बहुत ध्यान दे रहे हो. You are trying not to be yourself and you are trying to be a people pleaser. Stop being that. Be wild. Okay? Let people say whatever they want to say. Okay? Connect with your animal spirit guides also. ओके जब हम एनिमल स्पिरिट गाइड से कनेक्ट होते हैं, कैसे कनेक्ट होते हैं? बाय इम्बाइबिंग द क्वालिटीज ऑफ दैट एनिमल. सो कनेक्ट विद योर एनिमल स्पिरिट गाइड. Try to bring in the qualities of that animal spirit guide into your life and you will make big changes in your life. ओके छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से, छोटे छोटे चेंजेस से ही आप बिग चेंजेस को ला सकते हो. सो नाउ इज़ अ टाइम टू चेंज. बी यू, गो विद द फ्लो. लेट्स सी विच एंजल or which archangel you need to connect with, which god, goddess and archangel you need to connect with. Goddess Gaia, that is Mother Earth. With this card only I said, pile 1, that you need to connect with nature. You need to connect with the elements of nature. Okay, आप nurturer हो, you are the king of pentacles, but आप उस जो आपकी nurturing quality है, आप उसको नेगेटिवली कंट्रोलिंग क्वालिटी में यू आर चेंजिंग. आपको लगता है कि सारी दुनिया की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके ऊपर है एंड यू हैव स्टॉप्ड लिविंग योर लाइफ ऑफ बीइंग अ नर्चरर एंड अ प्रोवाइडर. सो कनेक्ट विद द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ नेचर, water, fire, earth, air. Connect with these elements. The best way to connect with the nature is to connect with Mother Gaia is to be in the nature as much as you can. Maybe morning routine talks about taking a morning walk in a park or in a garden. Okay, dipping your feet in water for a while after a tiring day. You can just do that also. That is connecting with nature. Light a candle to connect with the fire element. Offer water to sun god. That is also a way of connecting with the fire and water element. So do all this. Pile 1, do all this. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है pile 1, your power lies within you. You can easily manifest all these things. You can manifest all your dreams and desires just by doing these small little things. You are losing faith in yourself. You're just so busy in, the trivial issues of life that you are missing out on the big picture. So focus more on the big picture rather than these, small little issues of day-to-day life. Be who you are. Connect with your own self. Connect with your true nature. Mother Nature could be your true nature as well. So connect with the Mother Nature. Green color, meditating with green color can also help you a lot. Now see what angels want to tell you. Helpful people. Yes. So I understand that you are powerful enough. You are of the belief that you can handle everything single-handedly. But it doesn't matter if at times you have to ask for help. Do ask for help. Don't be shy asking for help. We all are, children of God. We are all united as one. Collective का मतलब ही यही है. We are here to help each other. We are here to support each other in each other's journey. So wherever you need help, please ask for it. And whosoever comes to you for help, do help that person also. Okay, by helping others, you surely can help yourself too. So do that, please. Let's see what blessings tarot cards are telling us you are getting. So strength, again the symbol of infinity. I talked about infinity symbol here also. So the symbol of infinity. 5 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands. So see 2 5s are there and strength is number 8. Number 8. So of course abundance is coming your way. Lot of abundance is being blessed upon you by the universe. So number 5, it talks about struggles and challenges that you are facing right now. But when they come as a blessing, it means that now you are being blessed with the power to come out of these challenges and conflicts that you have been facing since long. Now you are ready to come out of all these challenges, all these conflicts that have been there in your mind after this 11:11 portal. So 5 of Pentacles, the solution, the key is with you. It's you who's not looking at that solution. See, look at this card. The girl herself is not looking up. She's just focusing on the problem that she has, and she doesn't focus on the solution that is there. It's with her only, but she's not looking at it. So this is what I said. The power lies within you. You can make the changes, and the angels are blessing you with helpful people in life. People who will help you realize, people who will help you come out of your problems, provided you seek help. You ask for their help. So help is available to you. It's only you who has to take that step towards these helpful people. 5 of Wands talks about conflicts that are there. Okay, so you can put an end also to this mental chatter with the help of these helpful people. Somehow this my angels and my spiritual team is telling me that some of you have so much of mental chatter going on in your mind that in case you need any therapy, any healing, any psychiatric help, please go for it. Please go for it. There's no shame in acknowledging each and every emotion of yours. Okay, learn to owe your emotions. If you are happy, claim that happiness. If you are sad, claim that sadness. If you are confused, claim that confusion. जब तक आप अपने emotions को ओ करके claim नहीं करेंगे, they will keep on bothering you every now and then. So if you have any kind of issue which needs a therapy or psychiatric help, please go for it. Alright, pile 1. And the final blessing that the universe is giving you is inner worlds. Your external world is a reflection of your inner world. Oh my God, pile 1. I have been saying this constantly, that every solution lies within you. So whatever you wish to manifest, first you need to have that feeling within yourself. Okay, everything outside is a mirror of your own inner self. You know, the people we attract in our life, we attract them because we are manifesting those hardships, those people in our life. So change the internal world, make your internal world beautiful, and your external outer world will become beautiful on its own. The power lies within all of us. And yes, pile 1, rather than being a control freak, trying to control everything around you, just control your own emotions, control your own mental chatter. Meditation is a must for this pile. Sit in meditation for 5 to 10 minutes. म्यूज़िक सुनना अच्छा लगता है, आप मेडिटेशन के दौरान म्यूज़िक सुनो. आपको सिर्फ चुपचाप बैठना अच्छा लगता है, आप 5 to 10 minutes कुछ मत करो, सिर्फ चुपचाप अपने साथ बैठो. जो थॉट्स आपके दिमाग में आते हैं, let them come and let them go. Okay, just bring your consciousness back to your breath. Simple way of meditating, being aware. जब हम अपनी ब्रेथ पे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं, आती और जाती हुई सांसों पर कंसंट्रेट करते हैं, हम अवेयर हैं उस मोमेंट में. दिन भर में भी जहाँ कहीं आपको कन्फ्यूजन लगे, आपको लगे थिंग्स आर गेटिंग आउट ऑफ हैंड एंड अगेन दैट एंग्जाइटी स्टार्ट्स सेटिंग इन, जस्ट टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, फील दैट ब्रेथ गोइंग इन एंड फील दैट ब्रेथ कमिंग आउट, bringing out all the worries, tensions, anxiety that is there within you. Do it as many times as you can. Be in the now, and believe me, you will have awesome changes. You will see awesome changes in your life. Big changes in our life start from the small little changes that we make in our day-to-day life. I myself have experienced it. Alright, pile 1, So universe is abundant. It has everything for everybody. You just need to tap into that abundance energy. ओके आप उस abundance की energy में tap in करो. Breathe in peace, calm, and breathe out all your anxieties and worries. And rest assured, all your needs are being taken care of by the universe. Alright, pile 1, thank you so much for watching this reading. I hope you will take it as a guidance, and all the best. So, hello, pile 2. All those who have chosen this card, so here's the reading for you. And as I said, that this reading would be divided into 2 parts. In the first part, we'll talk about things that you need to let go to make the most of the 1111 portal energy, and the blessings that this portal, 1111 portal, is bringing for you. So let's get started with your reading. So, discard any fear of success and be willing to offer more than is expected of you. So, pile 1, it's very much clear that you are more invested into the outcome, the reward of different things, the work that you are doing, rather than in the action and the process that will take you to that success or that reward. So you need to let go of this fear, because this fear of success sometimes stops us from doing things that we want to do. It makes us think, it makes us do things that people want us to do, rather than things that our heart desires, things that we want to do. So discard the fear of success and give more. Work passionately. Whatever work you are doing, do it with full passion. Alright? Let's see what else you need to let go of. Homeward. Take yourself out on a date. Number 42. So, number 42 also talks about stability, which also means success. So, it talks about stability of emotions. So, I also feel that in this, in this feeling of being a people pleaser, of wanting to do things that others expect out of you, you have somewhere manifested a lot of emotional instability for yourself. Okay, you have because ये let go का card है. So here it talks about emotional instability that you have within you, because you are not connected with your own self. You are not doing things that you want to do. So that is how I am saying that you need to let go of this emotional instability that is there within you. Okay, see, this bird is a symbol of freedom to me. So you need to, let go of being constrained, of being pushed to do things that you really do not want to do. Okay? So let go of this desire to please others. Let go of this desire to do everything with a lot of investment in thinking about the reward that you will get or the success that will come after doing that work, rather than focus on the process. Again, letting go. 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands talks about, waiting patiently for life to happen to you. So you need to let go of this, stagnant. I can feel a lot of stagnant energy in pile 2, where because you are made to do things that you don't want to do, you have simply stopped doing things wholeheartedly. So this kind of energy I am feeling. This thing happens when we fear success. That's very true. When we are so much, bothered about success, the outcome, we tend to lose our focus. So this is what I think is happening with pile 2. You are more focused on the outcome rather than the action. So please let go of this. Let go of waiting for the life to happen to you. Move and make things happen for yourself. Okay? A lot of stagnant energy I can see. Now, stagnation sometimes, the stillness sometimes is good also. But here, you are stagnant in a negative way where you are in that place where you are not at all making a move to live a life that you desire, to live your life passionately. You're not connected with your own inner self in a very passionate manner. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. So, you need to strike a balance. You need to take this energy of stagnation and stillness into something positive where you use this stagnation and stillness to connect with your own inner passion. So, take that stagnation to that level. ठीक है, हम सक्सेस का वेट करते करते सपोज there's an influencer. Now an influencer, a blogger, he's a dietitian by profession, but just to gain more followers, just to have more fan following, he starts posting silly videos about things which he's just doing to gain that fan following. So that won't lead to fan following. He will just make a fool out of doing that. So that is what I am trying to say. So people pleasers and people who yearn for success often land up doing things that will do more harm than good to them. So that is what is the meaning here. So let go of this fear of success. Let's see what the 1111 portal, when it opens, what blessings are coming your way. Meditation. Okay, so see, this is what I was talking about. Again, 22 master number is a number of stability. It adds up to 4. Meditation is also stillness, but this is stillness in a positive manner where you are still, intentionally you are still, to connect with your own inner self and passions. This kind of stillness you need. Okay, a stillness that brings you closer to your own goals and passions. Okay, so this is coming your way. This energy of stagnation is being shifted to the energy of stillness. Okay, so this is also coming your way. It is a clear sign that to come out of this stagnant energy and move into this energy of stillness, you need to meditate. You need to spend time with yourself. Let's see what is the other blessing coming your way. Trust your intuition. It is time to stop seeking advice from others and go inside instead. This is what I said. Probably people are telling you what to do. You yourself do not know. That is why this confusion, this frustration is there. Who am I? What am I doing? What am I supposed to do? Because you're not listening to your own heart. You're busy listening to the advice of others. You know what's best for your body, mind, and spirit. Sit in meditation. Walk in the woods. See, the card itself has come. What else do you need? What else bigger sign do you want? Tune into your inner guidance. When you get a gut reaction, honor it. You have the answer and it's safe to trust yourself. Everything you need is already inside you. That's what I told in pile 1 also. We all have answers within us. It is just that we do not trust ourselves. हमें अपने से ज़्यादा दूसरों पर विश्वास है. And that is the wrong that we are doing to us. Trust your own gut feeling. Connect with your own inner self. Universe is bestowing you, universe is giving you this blessing of intuition, heightened intuition. 1111 I told in the intro also is a number of intuition. So connect with your intuition. जब आप all together life में busy रहते हैं, universe has no time to talk to you. It's only when you sit in stillness, in meditation, can universe give you messages it wants you to hear. So sit in meditation, hear your gut feeling, listen to what your intuition has to tell you, and that will pave the way for you. That will show you the way. और जो कन्फ्यूजन अभी आपके दिमाग में चल रही है, क्यों सक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा, why am I not successful, why people around me, they are successful in doing what I do, and why is it only me who's not getting the success. This is the reason, because you really are doing things, half heartedly. आप वो नहीं कर रहे हो जो आपका मन चाहता है. So sit in meditation and connect with your intuition. Blessings from the ancestor. Spring. See your seeds grow. So I think spring season could be of importance to you. तो अभी spring season तक जो 2 to 3 या 4 months हैं, universe is guiding you to connect with your gut feeling during these 3-4 months, so that when the spring season comes and the seeds that you have sown have started growing, enjoy the rewards, reap the rewards of those seeds that you had sown in these 3-4 months. तो अभी आपको यूनिवर्स कह रहा है pause and reflect upon the changes that you want in your life. Okay, अभी pause हो जाओ for 3 to 4 months. Take a pause, slow down. Stagnant नहीं होना, slow down होना है. Connect with the energy of stillness within you. Let's see which angel you need to work with. It's Horus, clear seeing, intention and perspective, of course. So I think that with this card, you need to work on your third eye chakra. Okay, you need to work on the brow. It's also called the brow chakra because it helps in clear sightedness. If I talk about crystal, clear quartz is really going to help you a lot. If you can have a clear quartz crystal near you, that is really going to help you a lot. Because of confusion, your thinking is clouded at the moment, and because the thinking is clouded, you are not able to set an intention for yourself that what do you want, and that is why you are having that chaos in your life. So this blessing of clear sightedness is surely coming your way. I would also advise you to work with moon cycles. हर न्यू मून पर अपनी इंटेंशन सेट करिए. हर फुल मून पर जो भी आपको सर्व नहीं करता उसको एक पेपर पर लिखो एंड बर्न दैट पेपर इन द फ्लेम ऑफ वाइट कैंडल. This will help you release whatever you don't want in your life. Also, I think that you need to increase your water intake. Water element needs to be balanced in your in your body. So this is the message that I'm getting, and yes, you need to meditate so that clouded thinking goes away and you are blessed with clear sightedness. यूनिवर्स आपको ये मौका दे रहा है. With this 1111 portal, this blessing is coming your way. So make the most of it. See, universe is as I always say, universe is abundant. It gives us blessings, but it's our choice whether we receive it or not. So how do you receive this blessing? Through guidance that I'm giving you. It is giving you clear sightedness, but how will you receive it? By meditating, by working on your third eye chakra, by changing your perspective about things. आप अब तक जिस नज़रिए से चीज़ को देख रहे थे उस नज़रिए को बदलना. अभी तक आप सक्सेस के पीछे भाग रहे थे, अब आप अपने परफेक्शन के पीछे जाओ. वैसे तो मैं ऑलवेज आई से दैट परफेक्शन it hinders your growth, but here in your case, more than success, you need to seek perfection in things you do. And when you seek perfection in things you do, success will ultimately follow. Let us see what angels are going to bless you with. Remain positive. So, as I said, this is a time when there is a lot of confusion and frustration. मैंने अभी बोला भी that you sometimes wonder कि ऐसा क्यों है, why people doing the same thing are more successful than me. So don't lose hope. Everything works, everything falls into place with the divine timing. So remain positive. Stay positive. You are protected. You are blessed by the angels and your spiritual team. So connect with them. Let us see through tarot what blessings are coming your way. So the first card is the Fool. Now, Fool if you see, this girl is standing on a cliff with an amethyst in her hand. Now, amethyst is also about clear thinking. It connects with your crown chakra and your third eye chakra. So yes, working with amethyst or clear quartz is really going to be beneficial for you. So she has surrendered herself. She has completely surrendered herself. So this is what you need to do. कहते हैं ना, काम करो फल की इच्छा मत रखो. This should be your attitude when you are doing something. Just do your karma. Don't worry about the outcome. Okay, she has completely, tabhi she is at peace. Look at her face, her eyes are closed. The expression on her face is so calm. She's not worried about the outcome. She's just doing what she wants to. Okay, she's just being herself. So you too need to follow this guidance. Strength. This card came in pile 1 also. So if you wish, you can have a look at pile 1 also, in case that pile 2 has some messages for you. So strength, you are being blessed with strength of purpose. Okay, you are being blessed with, see here also, heart. So you are being given strength to follow your heart. Okay, and as I said, infinity is a sign, the card is 8 number. Infinity, so 8 is a number of abundance. So infinite abundance is coming your way once you start following your heart. 4 of Wands, again stability, जिसके लिए आप इतने worried हो. See, 22 also talked about 4, 42 number also has 4 in it. 4 of Wands, so a lot of celebration, happy times, joyous times. Stability is coming your way once you start doing what you love doing. See, these girls, they are happily dancing. They are just enjoying themselves. So this is what it means. When you enjoy what you do, stability will come your way. And your final guidance from the universe, oh my God, stillness. Reflect on this moment with love, kindness and compassion. So see, again, this is the stillness I was talking about. So practice meditation, be still, spend some time with yourself, reflect on every moment with love, kindness and compassion. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Okay, meeting those deadlines and doing things for pleasing others. Let go of this. Universe is blessing you with a lot of time to spend with yourself so that you can connect with yourself in a better way. So reflect on it. Be more aware, be more present, be more kind, be more compassionate with others as well as with you. And once you start following your heart, all these things that you wish to manifest in your life are going to come your way. Alright, pile 2. So come out of that stagnant energy and be still to experience love, kindness, compassion, abundance all around you. And with this, we come to the end of your reading. I hope you liked it. All the very best to you. So, hello pile 3. All those who have chosen this card, this is your reading. Before we begin, this card is giving me a lot of Gemini vibes. So probably you are a Gemini, or maybe Gemini is an important placement in your chart, or it could even be that a Gemini person could be of help to you in any way. And let's now get into your reading. So as I told in the intro, this reading is divided into 2 parts. The first part talks about things that you need to let go, and second part talks about the blessings that are coming your way through this 1111 portal. Okay, so let's see first, what do you need to let go of? You are supported and will have helpers whenever you need them. Let them come. So pile 3, I think that you are the kind of people who always believe in doing things on your own. You, even when you need help, you don't speak up. People can come to your help, come to you for help, and you readily help them. But when it comes to you asking for help, you are a bit hesitant. So you need to let go of this, because as I've told earlier also, that we all are, united, and whenever we are here to support each other in each other's journey. So whenever you need help, do seek help. Okay, let those people come to help you. Asking for help doesn't make you small. Okay, कभी ऐसा नहीं है वी आर ऑल यूनाइटेड, और ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सब काम खुद कर सकते हैं. कभी कभी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जिनके लिए we need help. Sometimes we can heal others by helping, we can help others by healing them, but at times we too need to be healed. So whenever such people, first of all, don't be afraid of asking for help. Secondly, let those people come into your life who want to support you, who want to help you. मुझे ऐसा भी कुछ लग रहा है कि इस फाइल में ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि दूसरों को तो बहुत अच्छे से हेल्प करते हैं, और इनके पास अधिकतर आते भी वही लोग हैं जिन्हें हेल्प चाहिए होती है. बट इन देयर हार्ट ऑफ हार्ट्स दे फील दैट नोबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स देम. आप लोगों को लगता है आपको कोई नहीं समझता, आप तो सबकी हेल्प करते हो, लेकिन जब आपको ज़रूरत होती है, देयर इज़ नो वन फॉर यू, देयर इज़ नो वन टू हेल्प यू. ऐसा इसीलिए है क्योंकि हम जो चाहते हैं हम वही मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं. ओके, तो आप मैनिफेस्ट ही ऐसे लोगों को करते हो जिन्हें आप हेल्प करो. यू नेवर मैनिफेस्ट पीपल हु विल सपोर्ट यू, हु विल हेल्प यू इन अचीविंग योर ड्रीम्स. तो अब इस फीलिंग को लेट गो कर दीजिए. लेट गो ऑफ दिस फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग सेल्फ सफिशिएंट, कि मैं अपने आप में सेल्फ सफिशिएंट हूँ, मुझे कोई हेल्प नहीं चाहिए. आप जब तक यूनिवर्स में ये मैसेज भेजते रहेंगे, यू विल अट्रैक्ट पीपल हु विल आस्क हेल्प फ्रॉम यू and not the ones who will support you. Okay, so let go of this feeling. Next thing that you need to let go of, portion. Remember to practice self-love. Again, number 24. 24 again adds up to 6, just like it was in pile 2, I think. Yes. So number 6 talks about responsibility, नेम, फेम, सक्सेस. ओके, बट यहाँ पर आपको क्या लेट गो करना है? लेटिंग गो ऑफ योर हैबिट ऑफ नॉट लविंग योर सेल्फ सफिशिएंटली. यू आर नॉट लविंग योर सेल्फ सफिशिएंटली. जैसा कि मैंने आपको अभी बताया दैट यू आर देयर टू हेल्प अदर्स, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू हेल्पिंग योर सेल्फ और आस्किंग हेल्प फॉर योर सेल्फ, यू डोंट डू दैट. So please start doing that. Let go of this habit. And all of a sudden I just noticed the stars on this girl's socks. So it reminded me of the star card in tarot that talks about healing. So I think that आपको किसी ना किसी एरिया में healing चाहिए, probably emotional. It could be physical healing, it could be healing from any mental trauma, but you are not asking for help. So please do that. Ask for help. Let go of this, this feeling of this habit of not asking for help when you need it. Okay? Then the tarot tells you to let go of the mental chatter that you have. Okay, let go of this conflict that is there in your mind. Okay, so again, as you can see here in this card, people are busy fighting their own fights. लेकिन आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर इस कार्ड के जितने भी लोग हैं वो एक दूसरे को हेल्प करें, if they make a ladder out of these wands, they can easily reach the light, the goal that they are trying to reach. So this is what I mean when I say that we are here to help and support each other. So आपके लिए जो loudly message आ रहा है वो यही आ रहा है. Start asking for help. Start manifesting people who will support and help you in reaching your goals. ओके ये मेंटल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, ये जो मेंटल चैटर है आपका, ये तभी एंड होगा व्हेन यू विल आस्क फॉर सपोर्ट फ्रॉम अदर्स. अभी क्या होता है, आप खुद ही क्वेश्चन करते हो, खुद ही उसका आंसर कर देते हो. कभी आप सोचते भी हो दैट ओके आई विल गो टू दिस पर्सन एंड आस्क फॉर हेल्प, रादर देन आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प आप अपने दिमाग को खुद ही समझा लेते हो कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा, वो ये मना कर देगा, उसके पास तो खुद उसकी सैलरी नहीं आ रही है पूरी, हाउ विल ही और शी हेल्प मी, नहीं अगर रिलेशन ख़राब हो गया, एंड ऑल दोज you know that chaotic thoughts that come into your mind, they stop you from seeking help. So see, looking at the card, realize how powerful support and help is for each one of us. Okay, so let go loud messages, let go of this habit of trying to handle things on your own and not seeking help. आप उनमें से भी हो सकते हो जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी डेलीगेट नहीं करते, those who fear delegating responsibility, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि नहीं I have to do everything myself. So stop doing that. It's a way you are torturing yourself. Okay, it's a way in which you are not loving yourself enough by taking every responsibility on your own shoulders. So don't do that, please. Alright, now let us see the blessings that are coming your way as the 1111 portal opens. Alright, butterflies, number 5. See another number 5. So number 5 is a number of transformation, changes. You have reached middle of the cycle, wherever you are. So now you have two options. Either you go back with your old patterns, or you move ahead by transforming your belief system. And the card is butterflies. Now butterflies are a symbol of transformation. We see how beautifully a cocoon transforms into a beautiful butterfly. A caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly, fighting its own struggle of coming out of the cocoon and becoming a beautiful butterfly. So this is what it means. You need to shift your perspective, okay, and soon you will turn into a butterfly. Beautiful transformations are coming for you. Beautiful changes are awaiting you. So change your perspective, change your point of view, and you will see beautiful transformation in your life. Next blessing coming your way is choose love. And I always say it's not just love for the family, friends, kids, spouse. Love means self-love also. So choose love for yourself also. If you are struggling with an obstacle or conflict, choose a path of love. Suffering, doubt and frustration all transform in the presence of love. So show your love courageously, show your love openly, show your love with no strings attached. It's safe to give and receive love. In fact, if you have a hard time with self-love, start outside yourself and work your way in. Showing love to others can be a gateway for loving yourself. See, I told you beforehand. So see here also. Remember to practice self-love. And here also, it is telling you to choose love. Whatever conflicts are there in your life, whatever struggles, obstacles you are facing in your life, choose the path of love. Choose the path of love and support. Show your love openly. Praise others openly. Praise yourself also. If somebody gives you a compliment, don't just shun it away. Just very gracefully say thank you to that person. Okay, so show love to you, to your loved ones, to everyone around you. Okay, let us see what is the next blessing coming your way from your ancestors. Water guardian, connect with your emotions. So see, I think that you need to work with the water element of the nature. You can dip your feet in water. I think bath time is of importance to you. So I think that you can do a lot of cleansing while taking bath. You can have a salt bath, you can go for a spiritual bath experience every new moon and full moon. Okay, drink more of water. You need to connect with the water element to balance your emotions. So a lot of emotional stability is coming your way. A blessing in the form of heightened intuition can also come out for a few people, because I can see this pearl on the brow chakra of this female. So intuitive powers, some of you are also gaining insights. A heightened intuitive power is also coming your way. 1111 is a portal of intuition also, as I said. So you can manifest this if you want a clear sightedness, if you want clairvoyance, if you are working on increasing your intuition, then you can manifest this also during the 1111 portal. Then the angels that are there for you: Goddess Isis, resurrection, magic, fertility. So those of you who want a baby, who are planning a baby, the blessing of fertility is also coming your way. Fertility doesn't only mean being pregnant. Fertility also means, having a fertile mind full of ideas. So when you are being blessed with this intuition, clear thinking, clairvoyance, the chances are quite high that you'll also be blessed with new ideas, new and creative ideas will also come up. Resurrection, you need to transform. See, butterflies, just like a phoenix, burn your old habits completely and come out of your own ashes as a new you. And this is what the 1111 portal is all about. Letting go of old and bringing in the new with a new zest and zeal. So this is what, and work your magic. Okay, you are magical manifestors. So work on your, see again number 5, pile 3, I'm telling you, lots and lots of changes and transformations are headed towards you. So work your magic, connect with your intuition and manifest whatever you want in your life. You can do it. 1111 portal is very powerful manifestation portal. So keep your thinking positive, have a fertile mind full of ideas rather than this chaos. Sow more ideas into your mind and see them work. Okay, so connect with your inner magic and manifest your dreams and desires. Let's see what angels have to tell you. Abundance, oh my God, yes. So a lot of abundance coming your way in terms of money, in terms of creative ideas, in terms of good relationships. Abundance can be anything and everything. So be open to receive. I told in pile 2 also that universe is abundant. There's abundance all around us. It's only us who need to learn to receive and tap into that energy of abundance. So breathe in abundance, breathe out abundance. Feel a golden light of abundance going inside when you breathe in and coming out when you breathe out. So a lot of abundance coming your way, pile 3. Congratulations. Let's see the tarot. What tarot is telling us about the blessings coming your way. Again, 2 of Wands. So yes, you are being blessed with time to reflect upon things that you want in your life. Okay, you are planning, you are being blessed. अब जब आपके पास clear sightedness आएगी, when you will work with your intuition, when you will work with the water element, तो आप clear sighted हो जाओगे. ठीक है, you will be able to see things clearly as they are. और जब ये clear thinking आएगी, you will be able to make better plans for your life. Okay, अब आप more venues will open up for you. More opportunities are coming your way. For some people, it could be travel also. A blessing in the form of travel is also coming your way. So, very nice. Pile 3, beautiful reading. Two of Cups, amazing. See, 2 is also a number of intuition, and 2 is also a number of partnership. So, love, relationship, or better relationship with your spouse or a business partnership is also being offered, is also being blessed upon you in the 1111 portal. And this, it makes a rainbow. This rainbow is also there in 10 of Cups. And 10 of Cups is again a card of abundance, fulfillment in every sense of the word. So I think that a lot of fulfillment, emotional, financial, in everything that you desire, a lot of fulfillment is coming your way. There's a beautiful amalgamation, there's a beautiful balance of things in your life, be it your work and home, be it your income and expenditure, anything and everything, be it your masculine and feminine energy, a lot of balance is coming in your life. Claim this reading, pile 3, claim this reading, it's beautiful. And then the Hermit, amazing, amazing. Number 9, again, completion. I told in the intro also, number 9 is the number of completion. जब चीज़ें complete होंगी तभी नई चीज़ें आएंगी. So spend time with yourself. Meditate. See here also, letting go में भी आपका था. What is the woman doing? She is meditating. Okay, she is preparing something. अब आप prepare कब करते हो? जब आपका पूरा focus उस चीज़ पर हो. She is focusing to prepare something magical. So you can create magic. You can create magic when you are all alone, when you are focusing on yourself. Nobody is there in the card. Okay, this is a card of meditation. Hermit is a card of meditation when you go within. So go within, search within. Okay, and you will create that magic. You can create that magic that you've always wanted to create just by going with it. Beautiful card, beautiful reading, pile 3. Now let's see your final message from the universe. Inner alchemy. Inner alchemy is achieved when you react to fear with love. So don't be afraid, pile 3. Just love wholeheartedly. Okay, just love wholeheartedly. Choose love over fear. Choose love over fear. Alchemist. एक alchemist कौन है? Who can bring bigger transformations? Who can make a lot of transformations? So work on your inner transformation. And how can you work on your inner transformation? By choosing love over fear. डरना नहीं है. Asking for help from your loved ones, don't be afraid. Working your magic, working on yourself, transforming your inner self, don't be afraid. जब आप अपनी पूरी लाइट के साथ शाइन करते हो ना, तो बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जो नहीं देख पाते. And they will try to dim your light. Don't bother about them. Give them love. उनको hatred नहीं देनी. They will not accept the new you. ठीक है? क्योंकि आप अपनी फुल लाइट से आप शाइन कर रहे हो, आप अपनी इनर लाइट से शाइन कर रहे हो. वो लोग इतने अभी एबल नहीं हैं, केपेबल नहीं हैं कि वो उस इतनी रोशनी बर्दाश्त कर सकें. दे मे नॉट लाइक इट. दे विल ट्राई टू डिम योर लाइट. वो वापस आपको उन्हीं साइकिल्स में लाना चाहेंगे, उन्हीं चीज़ों में वापस फंसाना चाहेंगे जिस विशियस सर्कल से आप बाहर आए हो, इनर एल्केमी, इनर वर्क करके. So don't fall into that trap. Continue on your journey of inner transformation and work your magic. Manifest. आपके लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है manifestation का, pile 3. Rather जो मैं देख रही हूँ in all the piles, inner work is being highlighted. All the 3 piles have inner work highlighted. Inner power is there in some or the other form. So make the most of this 1111 portal. Manifest all your dreams and desires just by working on your own inner self. And with this, I take your leave. I hope you all enjoyed your reading. If you liked it, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. And soon I'll see you in your next reading. Bye-bye.